What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Mom? What are you doing?
Tom, yeah, what are you doing here?
Dad, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Sophie! What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner. Your favorite.
I'm doing homework.
I'm sleeping.
I'm sleeping!
I'm eating.
Doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework.
I'm writing a song, Dad.
I'm eating Bronco.
I'm eating.
I'm reading.
What is she doing?
What is my mom doing?
What is she doing?
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping.
I think she's fine. She's reading.
She's reading something.
Oh, she's running. She's running.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
What is he doing? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
He's running.
Now he's reading.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
He's cooking for you.
What are they doing?
What? What are they doing?
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
Hey, they're running away!
They're eating lunch.
They're eating lunch together.
I think they're reading together.
They're eating.
They're eating lasagna.